So hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple um, main menu, like a minimal main menu, which will have options for start, exit, and credit. So first of all, for a UI, you need something called a widget. So let's go and create one widget right away. Click on user widget and then add any name to that. Once it's booted up, just type canvas. The canvas will help you identify the whole area of the widget. I always use 1080p, so clicking on 1080 and then adding one vertical box. So using this vertical box, you will be able to like add your buttons properly. So next I will add some buttons there. I'm going with 3 buttons, and then I am going to fill all them to the vertical box and add some padding. 25 seems fine to me. Once that is done, I will add some text boxes, and once text was done, just add some text to that. I'm going with start, and then some color change also I'm trying to do. I think that seems fine. And once that is done, let me try to remove the background of this button. No, not that one. Where is it? I think it's the background color. Let me try. Yeah, it's the background one. Okay, once that is done, I'm just doing the same for all the buttons here, 0 and 0, and then I am going to add some text in that one, so it will be credits, and the next one will be exit. And now I'm copying the color from the first one to all the other boxes. Okay, and once that is done, you can hit the save button. Now let's actually go to the event graph. So when I click the start button, what action need to be handled? So first you have to do, like if the button is clicked, open a level, and I'm going with the level as third person, so I'm setting third person there. Now you need the mouse cursor and control, right? For that, what you have to do is, like, first you have to cast to the get player controller, and from that you have to show your mouse, set mouse, yeah, show mouse control to enable it, and then from that you have to set the input mode to UI only. So once that is done, your mouse will be showing in the menu, and once that is done, when the game starts, you have to disable the mouse cursor. So again, when you click the start button, disable the mouse cursor and then set the game mode to game only, input mode to game only. So it will remove the mouse cursor from the game and you can control the character. So once that is done, that's the start button done. Now I'm going for the exit. For the exit, just you can type exit. Oh, quit game. That much is enough. And for the credit, there's you can launch URL, everything. Like if you have a YouTube URL and if you click this button, maybe you can launch your URL. So type launch URL, type the URL of whichever site or YouTube link you want, paste it there. So this is the whole widget done at this point. Now what we want is, we want a game mode. So we will create one game mode, and in the game mode there is one option called default pawn class. Just set it to none, so that no character will be spawned. So once that is done, I think that's it. You can save that one. And once that is done, now let's create one main menu level where we will show up the widget. So I'm creating a simple level, basic level, and I am saving it. Main menu map. Okay, and once it's saved, let's go to the game mode and save the new game mode which you created. Main menu. I did the next one. Yeah. Okay, and once that is done, you have to make the widget show up on screen. So open the level blueprint, create a widget, and add to viewport. So the widget, and then doing get player controller. Yes, once that is done, that's the whole setup running. Let's try. Yeah, and if you click the start button, the game will be started. Similarly, if you press the credit, I have not placed a URL, that's why. If you click the exit button, the game will exit, and that's it. So that's how you can create a simple UI system. Thanks for joining in. Catch you guys later.